Hey guys, it's Joshua the Bucks fan Logan here, and today, real quickly before I get started with this video, I want to give a shout out to Stella because she recently just subbed to the channel. So Stella, if you are watching this, you're a phenomenal legend for subbing. And I also want to give a shout out to Shadow Gamer 2638. So yeah guys, let's get right into the video. What's up guys, it's Joshua the Bucks fan Logan here, and today I'm going to do a food review on some tacos. My mom made these for me. And I just made some tater tots. We're doing a tacos and tots food review. So yeah guys, here's a close look up on the taco. It's got some meat and it's got some good old cheese in there. Here we go. This ain't ASMR, Brandon, if you're watching this. This is a food review. So yeah, guys, let's try it. It's pretty good. Let's try some tots. That was awesome. So yeah guys, hope y'all enjoyed that vid. If y'all did, be sure to smash a like. And let me know in the comments, what restaurant do you want me to do a food review on? I'm just concerned. So yeah guys, peace out. And as always, stay awesome.